When did we begin wearing our capes? When we were young, we watched Superman, Rabubi, that will be Spider-Man to you. We watched all kinds of superheroes. We were encouraged. We flew around. Yeah, we flew around. And our parents go like, ha ha, wait, no man, hey. And we were proud. We walked tall. I am Nosigao. You hold your waist as you feel Potrisia how. Or yeah. When you ran in school, you didn't run like a school kid. You were a superhero. You had your cape and you wore it with pride. When did we stop wearing our capes? Why did we stop wearing our capes? Do you think it's about time you went in the closet? You can come out again. It's an open door situation. Do you think you can go in there, adorn yourself, and wear your cape again and fly? And fly. Feel that wind caress you as you fly. I love you, superhuman. Fly.